Jeste bili nas ponovo Jogipći, da će ponovo ljudi igrati Madagaskar, davno ga nismo igrali, pa rekao, ajde jednu epizodu, ja neću pričati se nečara. I krećemo! Boom!
Now follow me to... Good work. Now get the remaining power cards from the other two operatives.
Yes.
Good kick. Careful, Stripes, careful. Come on.
Hey, now that you have the crawl ability, you should probably go meet up with your penguin friend again.
Outstanding. Now that you've got the key, follow me to the yellow gate. Welcome to Zone Ostrich, my monochromatic friend. Here's a gate to Zone Monkey over there at 3 o'clock. You go talk to those oversized people and see if they know anything. We'll reconnoiter at the drop zone. Look out! Marty! Now follow me and crawl into Zone Bird. Crawl by the hedges. Careful, Stripes. Careful. I'll be on the opposite side of this bird cage. Watch it, kid.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Don't say it, don't say it. I've heard it all before. Kick the poles. Look out. Careful, Stripes, careful. Monkey zone, here we go. We're in Zone Monkey. Marty, come over here, quietly. Watch it, kid. Look out! Go! Careful, Stripes, careful.
Hey! Feels good!
Watch it, kid. Look out. I hear her. Do not be discouraged, Marty. They can't hold us in here forever.
Yes. Ja se budem isto cool.
Careful, Stripes, careful.
Oh yeah! Oh, rade. Ona me
Watch it, kid. Look out.
No.
You better watch it. I ain't one of those wimpy nature video zebras.
Yups. Au. Jedno srce. Ljudi, to je sve za epizodu. Vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi. Za sve vas, kao što ja uvijek kažem. Ćao, pa.